Hey guys, this is Mike and welcome to our series about suppliers in China. Today we are in the city of Zhongzhou and we will check out one factory that actually produces SPC flooring. We just got the first night here. It's a little bit boring, but yeah, it's understandable because this is industrial city, of course. But yeah, we got really nice reviews about this factory. It's supposed to be really promising, so we are super excited about it. And check it out with us, so let's go! Hey guys, this is actually something super cool that happened to me. They actually gave me one of their jackets. This actually hasn't ever happened to me. You can check out the brand. It's EcoHome. Sounds pretty cool to me. Apparently I will wear this jacket all day long today during the inspection and the overview of the whole factory. So now let's check out the sample room so we can actually see many different kinds and styles and patterns of these samples over here. Oh, wow, can I actually check it out? Wow, these looks great. These are different patterns over here, different textures. Wow, and I gotta say, actually they look way better than real wood or than real stone. And apparently what they can do for you, they can actually customize them for you. They can actually print whatever you want on it. So it doesn't even need to be wood or stone imitation. It may be whatever print. But wow, these looks, they look great. And actually what's kind of surprising me, you can find even these guys. They are like tile style. They look like classic tiles. But what is interesting, what I heard actually, is that the material is the same as those behind me. So even these are SPF, even though they look like tiles. This is actually great. I've never seen anything like this before. So now we can check the cool stuff. We can actually go to the factory and see the real procedures and the real processes. And I will wear my sweet jacket. So I will be like one of those guys who actually work there. Alright, let's follow me. So this is the first stage of the factory of EcoHome. Man, this is so giant, this is so large. Honestly, straightforward talking, I've never seen anything that big as this. This is so big. After exposure of UV light, it goes right here to this machine. It gets first super hot, really high temperature, and then immediately in no time super cool down. So after this procedure it gets really tough, the material gets really tough. Alright, here we go, here we are. This is one of the last stages of the whole process. On this machine behind me, they cut everything once again and they actually grind the sides of the planks, so they make these little locks on the sides. What is really interesting, what I really like about this thing, is those pipes over there. They suck the dust and then the dust is reused again. So it's actually recycled when they make new planks. It's a pretty cool thing. This is the one last checkup stage. This is one last inspection stage. You can see the two ladies behind me. They are checking everything, every detail once again. Because here the desks, the planks, they look a little bit different, right? There is this material on the back side. Then it goes just to the packaging stage, and from packaging it goes to you, to the clients, to the customers of EcoHome. This is what makes this factory of EcoHome different compared to other competitors, because right here they check every single plank one by one, really every single one, and they make inspections. So here you can see they actually check the locks on all the sides, all 4 sides. Then they check the surface, so the texture and the color. Then they flip it over and they check even the back side. So this guy here next to me, he actually does everything one by one. If you are getting, as a customer, if you are getting the product, it needs to be 100%. So here, this is what's going on. Alright guys, this is basically the end of our journey here. I would like to mention a few things in the ending. So it's not just about SPC flooring, which is really durable, it's waterproof, it's fireproof, there is insect control, but it's even about this factory over here, right? EcoHome. I have really good feeling about the factory. I have really nice feeling about their inspection and the check, because they check every single piece of the plank one by one. They really take nice care of everything. Also, the management, I talked to the management here, I talked to the executives here, I talked to the guys over here who actually work here on daily basis, and my feeling of the company is that these guys are really trustworthy, they're open to big business. So now it's the end of the day and we are really ready to head back to our city, and I would like to recommend this company. I would like to recommend them. I'm totally sure, you have my word, you will not be disappointed, you will be definitely satisfied. So stay tuned guys and see you next time. Bye.